Hi, I'm Rachel Green, Vice President of Customer Experience at Nanoprecise.
Hi, my name is Patrick Heiser, and I am a solutions specialist here at Nanoprecise. Nanoprecise is an energy-centered predictive maintenance solution. We control everything from the OT all the way through to how you consume the data. And then Rachel's team specifically brings that human touch to the AI that everybody desperately needs. I've been coming here for 3 years, and every year the quality and quantity of leads that we get here are always extremely valuable conversations. And the number of people and delegates you guys are bringing to us has just continued to increase over the last 2 years, especially since we've been coming, since Rachel and I have been coming. Rachel, what do you think?
Yeah, I've been here for the last 2 years with Nanoprecise. It keeps getting bigger and better every year.